This is the Kalyan Jewellers Celebrity Cricket League match number 13. The openers in there. The first ball of this innings coming up is going to be Karthik to start proceedings. And first delivery just slashing away. Will be runs here. Man coming in from the third man area. He's got an interesting field set for him. Karthik has got a slip, a man at short mid off to start with. And once again, warm welcome to Rohan Gavaskar.
Thank you, Ajay. I thought the fielder at point got a bit of hand on that last shot. Very good effort there. Rajeev Pillai, an outstanding game in his last innings. Best of 95.
Up the order, that's going to be essential when you're chasing anything in the region of 170. Pillai, he's going to be the key. He's really batted well. That knock of 95 was really a very special effort from him. Sudeep, of course, the captain for Karnataka Bulldozers, keeping wickets. And this is the dugout. The support they are getting is phenomenal. Mohanlal on the extreme right, looking very focused. He's the superstar. Would be just hoping the team gets to a good start, a flying start here. The slip fielder just being taken out in the region of gully now. That's played well in the gap. That's racing away. There will be a chase for the fielder. Couple of more runs here for the batsman. Pillai stroking it beautifully on that occasion. He's off the mark.
Good effort there. It's been a good start by Karthik. Just 3 conceded of the first 3 deliveries. He'll be happy with that. This is the power play. Very good line and length once again.
Come on, Rajeev. Come on.
Yeah, overall, Rohan, that was good cricket because, as you rightly mentioned, that was a good delivery. Nicely handled as well by Pillai, just playing with the full face of the blade, not trying too much fancy things at this stage. And in the end, good running. Just talking about his speeds so far for Karthik. The last delivery just hovering around the 118 mark. But he can bowl quick. We saw that second and third delivery is just around 123. So he can extract some good pace. Just losing his footings there, his boot. But still managing that run.
Once again, sir.
That shows if you have the will, you can do it.
Short, wide. Didn't hit it where he wanted to, but got the result that he wanted. A boundary. Rakendu, he was outstanding in the last game against Bengal. And again, he's off to a very good start.
Yeah, that was enough room for the batsman and taken that gleefully. Just probably getting room of the own medicine because that was not a great delivery. He knows that. Boom Chikawawa moment. But this is a good positive start by Kerala strikers. Already 8 runs on the board for the first 5 deliveries. And that's once again misfield will result in a single to end the over. So after 1, it's 9 without loss. So this is the Kalyan Jewellers Celebrity Cricket League match number 13. Rakendu and Pillai, they are the men on strike in the middle at the moment. So after 1 over 9 without loss, going to be through from the other end. A bit of shout, stifle appeal, but definitely there was inside edge onto the bat on that occasion.
And both teams realize how crucial the first 6 overs are going to be. The Bulldozers will try and pick up a couple of wickets. The strikers will try and get in excess of 9 runs and over.
You know, but one thing, Rohan, about Karnataka Bulldozers is they have a very balanced bowling attack. which has definitely gone in their favour throughout this tournament. We saw with Karthik, he can generate some good pace. Dhruv always a very steady customer, bowls accurate line and length. They have variety in the bowling. So this is going to be some task here for Kerala strikers to get 160 more runs from here on. And also just mentioning about the captain Sudeep, he's always very proactive, knows exactly what to do. He's a tough customer. Trying that pull shot, beaten comprehensively. Probably the line doing the trick as far as the bowler is concerned. And coming to Godrej Eon, well, Godrej Appliances is the green appliances partner for CCL3, which makes the most energy efficient appliances. Initiative is supported by CCL3.
That's wide.
Yeah, you're right. Also seeing a few deliveries. He's just getting some shape on the ball. So much better for him. Also the kind of speed he's bowling to bowl further up to the batsman. Just invite him for expansive drive. That's the Kerala strikers camp. See all of them glued up to the middle. This contest has been fascinating so far. That's a good delivery to finish the over. The second one, 13 without loss.